Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're actually going to be playing around with the Skyline. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so I watched it on Friday for the first time in about 4 months and this fell out. So we've got all these cracks coming up. It's actually scraping on the way out of the driveway. Even though Skyline is stock height, and scraped it really bad. Picking up Emerson the other day from childcare. But need to put new wiper blades in, as you can tell. And the footrest inside, and need to put the interior stuff back into the boot from taking the rear bumper off all the time. So these panels need to go back on, so I need to find all those clips. Not sure where they are. Gonna take that in. Yeah. Get it all back together. Everybody else is a G or V collector leaves like that. So, also need to get this little footrest on, which goes down there. Came off. Actually, it's broken by the looks of it. We'll try to get it back on. There we go. New wiper blades on. I was thinking about painting this. What do you guys think? I've got some edge primer and some black. Should I do the whole thing? And I've got the washers on there too, so I need to cover them up. But what do you think? Comment below. Should I paint them? Also, do you guys think I should do a bypass valve for here? So the rear muffler comes out here and just completely bypasses this and just comes out the left hand rear. What do you think? Or should I do one around the middle resonator? Alright, so I've got it back on there. It's a bit loose. What are your recommendations for that? Probably have to get a whole new one, wouldn't I? Also boys, if you've painted a car, how long does paint stay good for in tins? So I've still got some there, and I still need to do some painting. It's been a year. It's the pearlescent. I need to do a rear bumper. I'm hanging to. Actually, it still needs another coat because I stuffed up my painting. It's not a good paint job. Good from far, far from good. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but it's not very good. So this has got another layer than this. I need to sand this back, shoot another coat. Now, I'm thinking of doing this black or skinning it with carbon fibre. I don't know. What do you guys think? A little James Bond number plate. And the radio. So should I make it surround? That doesn't work. Well, it does, but I don't have the little card for there. Don't have a DVD. So get rid of that. Could move this up to there, I guess. And have a double DIN in here. What have you guys done without spending $500 for a surround? Also, it's not staying in sports, into manual. It goes in there, it could go in there for a whole trip, get in it, goes in it for 5 seconds and it just goes back to drive. So I need to pull this out and have a look at that micro switch that's in there. So it might be that. Need a new gear knob too. This clip is broken. Have you had issues like that if you've got an automatic with it coming out of manual mode, sports mode? So yeah, comment down below what you think I should do with the Skyline. Looking at getting into that after the FOS is done and running properly. So we'll get back into tuning next episode, guys. Stay tuned for that. If you like this episode, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. I know it was a short one today, but thanks for watching and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.